I'm Yuto, and today on Sudachi I'm going to show you how to make easy pan-fried pork chops with a delicious lemon-infused teriyaki glaze. Let's get started. I'm using these thick boneless pork chops with plenty of fat. I'm just going to make cuts in the fatty parts which will help stop them from curling as they cook. Season them with a pinch of salt on each side and set them by the stove. Next, preheat your pan on medium-low, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and 1 clove garlic cut into thin slices. The low heat will help draw out the flavour without burning the garlic. Once they become golden on one side, turn them over. When they're golden all over, take them out of the pan and place them on a piece of kitchen paper to absorb the excess oil. We will use them as a topping at the end. Now that we have a fragrant garlic infused oil, we're going to increase the heat to medium-high and add the pork chops. Fry for 1.5 to 2 minutes or until golden on one side. Flip them over and reduce the heat to medium-low, cover with a lid and continue to fry for 3 to 4 minutes depending on the thickness of your pork chops. While we wait, let's mix the teriyaki sauce. In a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 2 tablespoons of sake, and ½ tablespoon of honey. I use honey instead of sugar in this recipe because it goes really nicely with the lemon. Okay, it's been about 4 minutes and the pork is looking good. I'm serving this dish with some chopped king oyster mushrooms, so I'm just going to add those to the pan and rearrange them so they're all touching the bottom of the pan. You can use any of your favourite local mushrooms here or even some other vegetables of your choice. Next, pour the teriyaki sauce around the pan and let it simmer until slightly thickened. Turn the pork chops over occasionally to make sure both sides get coated in the sauce. Finally, add 4 lemon slices and continue to cook until the sauce is thick and glossy like a syrup. Keep moving the lemon slices around to encourage the juices to release into the sauce. Once it looks like this, take the pan off the heat and let the pork chops rest for 3 minutes before serving. I'm serving my lemon teriyaki pork over rice. Add the mushrooms, decorate with the lemon slices and drizzle with the leftover sauce. Finally, sprinkle with the crispy fried garlic chips from earlier. And that's it, quick and simple yet packed with flavour lemon teriyaki pork chops. And great news, I've launched a free mobile app that makes following along with my recipes even easier. It's the perfect kitchen companion after watching my videos. You can access step-by-step instructions right on your phone while you cook. The download link is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. You can find a written version and more recipes like this on my blog. I've put the link on the screen now. You can also find more similar recipe videos in my quick and easy Japanese recipe playlist on the screen as well. Hope to see you in the next video. Take care.